anybody drink this. I don't care how much milk or cream you put in it. It's gross. Everything in. Taking everything out the fridge. Fridge is not. Can't stay. I'll figure out what everything is later. But for now, everything must go. The table is full. I really have no space to put anything. Again, here's what I'm using. I'm about to get this refrigerator, start cleaning. Refrigerator being clean, be back to show everybody how it looks. Hey, these are the results of a clean refrigerator. I threw all that stuff in the trash. It has to go. A nice, clean refrigerator. This is how I like to live and eat.